received from Federal Constitution of the Swiss Confederation of 18 April 1999, status as of 3 March 2024. Preamble. In the name of Almighty God, the Swiss people and the cantons, mindful of their responsibility towards creation, resolve to renew the alliance so as to strengthen liberty, democracy, independence, and peace in a spirit of solidarity and openness towards the world, determined to live together with mutual consideration and respect for their diversity, conscious of their common achievements and their responsibility towards future generations, and in the knowledge that only those who use their freedom remain free, and that the strength of people is measured by the well-being of its weakest members, adopt the following Constitution. Title 1. General Provisions. Article 1. The Swiss Confederation. The people and the cantons of Zurich, Bern, omitted below, form the Swiss Confederation. Article 2. Aims. Number 1. The Swiss Confederation shall protect the liberty and rights of the people and safeguard the independence and security of the country. Number 2. It shall promote the common welfare, sustainable development, internal cohesion, and cultural diversity of the country. Number 3. It shall ensure the greatest possible equality of opportunity among its citizens. Number 4. It is committed to the long-term preservation of natural resources and to a just and peaceful international order. Article 3. Cantons. The cantons are sovereign, except to the extent that their sovereignty is limited by the Federal Constitution. They exercise all rights that are not vested in the Confederation. Article 4. National languages. The national languages are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Article 5. Rule of law. Number 1. All activities of the state are based on and limited by law. Number 2. State activities must be conducted in the public interest and proportionate to the ends sought. Number 3. State institutions and private persons shall act in good faith. Number 4. The Confederation and the cantons shall respect international law. Article 5a. Subsidiarity. The principle of subsidiarity must be observed in the allocation and performance of state tasks. Article 6. Individual and collective responsibility. All individuals shall take responsibility for themselves and shall, according to their abilities, contribute to achieving the tasks of the state and society. Title 2. Fundamental Rights, Citizenship, and Social Goals. Chapter 1. Fundamental Rights. Article 7. Human dignity. Human dignity must be respected and protected. Article 8. Equality before the law. Article 9. Protection against arbitrary conduct and principle of good faith. Article 10. Right to life and to personal freedom. Article 13. Right to privacy. Number 1. Every person has the right to privacy in the private and family life, and in the home and in relation to the mail and telecommunications. Number 2. Every person has the right to be protected against the misuse of their personal data. Article 16. Freedom of expression and of information. Number 2. Every person has the right freely to form, express, and impart their opinions. Number 3, every person has the right freely to receive information, to gather it from generally assembled sources, and to disseminate it. Article 17, Freedom of the Media. Number 1, freedom of the press, radio, and television, and of other forms of dissemination of features and information by means of public telecommunications is guaranteed. Number 2, censorship is prohibited. Number 3, the protection of sources is guaranteed. Article 18, freedom to use any language. Article 21, freedom of artistic expression. Article 25, protection against expulsion, extradition, and deportation. Number 1, Swiss citizens may not be expelled from Switzerland and may only be extradited to a foreign authority with their consent. Article 26, guarantee of ownership. Article 27, economic freedom. Article 33, right of petition. Number 1, every person has the right, without prejudice, to petition the authorities. Number 2, the authorities must acknowledge receipt of such petitions. Article 34, political rights. Number 1, political rights are guaranteed. Number 2, the guarantee of political rights protects the freedom of the citizens to form an opinion and to give genuine expression to his or her will. Article 35, upholding of fundamental rights. Number 1, fundamental rights must be upheld throughout the legal system. Number 2, whoever acts on behalf of the state is bound by fundamental rights and is under duty to contribute to their implementation. Number 3, the authorities shall ensure that fundamental rights where appropriate apply to relationships among private persons. Article 36, restrictions on fundamental rights. Number 1, restrictions on fundamental rights must have a legal basis. Significant restrictions must have their basis in the Federal Act. The foregoing doesn't apply in cases of serious and intermediate danger where no other course of action is possible. Number 2, restrictions of fundamental rights must be justified in the public interest or for the protection of the fundamental rights of others. Number 3, any restrictions on fundamental rights must be proportionate. Number 4, the essence of fundamental rights is sacrosanct. Chapter 2, Citizenship and Political Rights. Article 37, Citizenship. Number 1, any person who is a citizen of a commune and of the canton to which that commune belongs is a Swiss citizen. Article 39, exercise of political rights. Number 2, political rights are exercised in the commune in which a citizen resides, although the Confederation and the cantons may provide for exceptions. Article 40, the Swiss abroad. Number 2, it shall legislate on the rights and obligations of the Swiss abroad, in particular, in relation to the exercise of political rights in the Confederation, the fulfillment of the obligation to perform military or alternative service, welfare support, and social security. Chapter 3, Social Objectives. Article 41. Number 1, the Confederation and the cantons shall, as a complement to personal responsibility and private initiative, endeavor to ensure that a. every person has access to social security. B. Every person has access to the health care that they require. C. Families are protected and encouraged as communities of adults and children. D. Every person who is fit to work can earn their living by working under fair conditions. E. Any person seeking accommodation for themselves and their family can find suitable accommodation on reasonable terms. F. Children and young people, as well as persons of employable age, can obtain education and undergo basic and advanced training in accordance with their abilities. G. Children and young people are encouraged to develop into independent and socially responsible people and are supported in the social, cultural, and political integration and in leading healthy lives. Number 3. They shall endeavor to achieve these social objectives within the scope of their constitutional powers and the resources available to them. Number 4. No direct right to state benefits may be established on the basis of these social objectives.